dangerous weather situations. Specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for warnings and selected watches affecting the South Florida counties. In addition to the regular alarm tone, the NOAA weather radio system is equipped with an additional warning service called SAME that is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. Unlike the normal tone of 1050 Hz, which activates all alarmable NWR radios monitoring the station, SAME allows people with a special receiver to be notified of watches and or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, and commercial radio and television. For more information regarding the SAME program, contact your local National Weather Service office. This is the voice of the National Weather Service. December 6, 2023 for the WWG-59 listening area for the following counties in Florida.
Alright, time to wait for TBW.
Sarasota.
Oh, it took you a while. Wow.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of the National Weather Service. The perceiving signal is a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Western Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. Only the county or counties including particular warning message test when detecting weather. This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of the National Weather Service. The perceiving signal is a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Western Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. Same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon and again between 6 and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the test. We now return to regular programming.
There we go. All right, there you have it. There we go.
The preceding signal was attached to the public committee of the public domain
88.7, 88.7.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was attached to the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Western Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by the particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Oh, yeah.
Broadcasting weather information for Chicago, the west and south suburbs, and northwest and east.
Woo!